honey castella cake from Tout Le Jus. It's kind of squishy. It's like a sponge cake. Cheers. Is that mold? Mold be purple? Refrigerate after opening and consume within 2 days. Just opened it and I bought it yesterday. I mean, maybe it's not mold, but I don't think I'll be taking my chances. One bite I took, which may or may not have had mold in it. Light, spongy kind of cake. It's very soft. It doesn't really have too much of a flavor. It's just kind of like lightly sweet. Very sponge cake vibes. You know what? It wasn't offensive, except for maybe the possibility of the mold. Just gonna throw it away.